This video was brought to you by Stormberg, a weather planner, MisterGreen, Kempower and Marcus Bil. Yo, what's up? We are now sitting in an EQE, but that's not too important. It's just my nice little studio here. But today I'm going to show you guys something. So, you know, Nasir, my friend from Bilexperten Bosch, he went to Italy a while ago to fix a Model S that had some battery problems. So I'm just going to roll a tape and start explaining what's up with this. So you see, this is a footage from Italy. I sent my camcorder with Nasir because I couldn't join him there, and that was fine, except for that, you know, he forgot to turn on the microphone. So he was saying something here, but we can't see it. You know, he's like, "Oh, yo, what's up? Yeah, we're now in Italy. We're gonna fix this Tesla." Yeah, no, but okay. I think hopefully I'm trying to guess what he's saying. So. This is a Norwegian Tesla Model S out of warranty or battery warranty that had battery problem, and then he was desperate and he contacted Nasir, and Nasir flew down. You see, that's also Bosch, so they have Bosch car service all over Europe, lots of partners. So this is the whole idea with EV Hub, that they are going to spread the information, spread all the how to build, or how to repair Teslas and other EVs out in the field. So that's why it was kind of important for Nasir to fly down there. You also see Vanya soon, and they fix it on site because I guess Tesla wanted to take a hefty price to fix it, and he was like, the owner was like, I'm not sure. Yeah, so. Well, I guess it's not drivable. It's just, you can put it in neutral and brake, right? So this is the problem, you know. The owner was on vacation, and the car went brick. You know, it couldn't undrivable. Battery had a problem, was kaput, and he didn't know what to do. And he contacted Nasir. And fortunately for the owner, he was there for a while. I think that's not the owner, the bald guy. That's probably just the driver of the truck. Yeah, but fortunately he was there for a while, so he could just, Nasir could just take his time to fix it. Now we are in the workshop, and in the background there you see that's the Vanya. So he came from Czech Republic, and then wait, where was it again? Maybe I mixed it up. No, maybe it wasn't Czech Republic. Was that? Sorry if I don't remember the details. Was it Czech Republic or was it Croatia? Okay, I should do my homework. But yeah, okay, anyway, you can see some of the footage here. I can make some sound. Vanya is like flexing. Oh yeah, look at my biceps. Yeah. Okay, but there, and then here we see the battery pack. They have taken it out, and I guess, yeah, this is the problem. You know, when we have batteries that have gone in Norway, there would be some kind of problems that I guess Tesla did not foresee when they designed the car, which is that we have lots of schmutz. The roads are salted. Dirt and stuff gets trapped in parts of the battery pack, and then corrosion starts happening. So Vanya and Nasir, they have seen this over and over again, that battery packs that have gone in Norway for many years in typical Norwegian winter, they get stuff like corrosion and stuff that does not happen for the rest of Europe. So I don't remember what was the deal here really. I guess, by the way, there will be a clip afterwards where he actually turned on the microphone. You will see a little bit of that. But they took out the battery and they figured out what went wrong, and they managed to fix it within a decent amount of time. Now we have, this is some kind of tool that Vanya made. Vanya owns the EV clinic, by the way, or so there's a company that repairs electric cars and also plug-in hybrids, and they found something about the battery. There will be more, but they will explain more about this. So then this clip was like the end clip where they fixed the car and it was back on the road, and the owner could then drive the car all the way to Norway again. So, you know, it ended happily. Yeah. Nasir seems happy. So yeah, now I'll just show you guys the clip.
We are standing outside Bosch car service in Rome. This is a Norwegian car that reached out to us because he was in vacation here and had got problem with his Tesla and battery. So we wanted, EV Hub wanted to help him with our partners, EV Clinic. We managed to finish this car so the customer can drive back home safely. we think it is more sustainability than to tow the car back to Norway. So we fix it on the spot. That's our idea. And thanks, Vanja, very much for this project together. So you can explain a little bit about cell voltage problem.
It was a specific issue. We had issue with one block with the cell imbalance. That means one brick was without voltage sense, and without it the car cannot drive. Owner was in trouble because Tesla told him he must change complete battery pack, what is normal. Before we arrived here, we checked remotely what is issue with the car. We find out which block, what problem, and what we need to repair the issue in the battery. We arrived here, we surgically located the issue, changed what we needed to change and repair, and car started. This is interesting because it's impossible to do this job in the field. For example, if you need to repair ICE engine completely refurbished, but on electric cars it's 10 times easier and 10 times cheaper, because we finished this expressly fast, and we came. You came from Oslo, I came from Zagreb, and we joined together and solved the issue. What was 13,000 euro problem? Yes. Yeah.
So if the guys or ladies, whatever, are listening, you need help with your electric vehicle, wherever in Europe you are, you can reach to EV Hub with our partners. We can solve the problem on the spot.
We are here to accelerate this mission.
Yes, thank you.
This one was better.
Yes.
And yeah, that's it. So like I mentioned, the whole EV hub, the idea with EV hub is that they want to spread the knowledge and then get more and more service centers like Bosch Car Service to train up to do repairs like this, so that this is the whole idea with the philosophy with Nasir and Vanja, is that EVs can be repaired. You know, don't be afraid that your EV will go brick or out of warranty. Yeah, of course, you see those propaganda like, oh, Tesla battery cost 250,000 NOK, or 25,000 euros. You might as well just scrap the whole car, right? No, that is for the new battery, but like we have seen, Vanja and Nasir shown that many cases you only have to change one tiny bit that led to the failure, and then the cells are still fine. There's usually just a PCB or something that usually fails because of corrosion or something, and then you replace that and then you're good. Like, I think that's what happened in this case. So yeah, eventually I guess we should also inspect Millennium Falcon's battery. Plus there's a couple of cool videos we should do with Millennium Falcon. And yeah, we still need to fix Millennium Falcon's heater. Well, the PTC element was replaced just a year ago, but now there's a problem. There's no heat in Millennium Falcon. Most likely not the PTC, maybe a sensor, a fuse or something. We'll find out, I guess. There'll be a video about it. Yes, we need to find out what the heck happened with the Millennium Falcon. But of course, this is also under warranty, I believe, since we did a repair at Tesla Service Center not long ago. But I guess if you go to Tesla, we are not able to film it, or we are not able to see what is going on. So that's why I go to Nasir first. But I guess most normal people, they will of course go to Tesla Service Center to get it fixed. But okay, so more repair videos, right? You guys are hungry for repair videos. But anyway, I think that's going to be it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.